Yeah, but you never asked me what I wanted to do. What about the case?
She was certain about what she wanted to do. So I don't know what's going on. But
Well,
can
Miss
I get a
Barnwell,
breakout room with her?
Miss Barnwell, first of all, you need to stop talking. So the reality is an offer was just made to her right now that you didn't even tell her about.
Right, that's what I'm saying. I don't know
Okay.
what's going on.
I didn't hear properly, Judge. I did not hear properly.
But that's because you keep talking.
Yeah. Yeah.
5FB1069.
Tiffany works for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Wendy Barnwell, P42-505, on behalf of Miss Danielle Hinton.
Thank you. Miss Danielle Hinton, please unmute and state your name.
I'm sorry, I was trying. Danielle Hinton.
All right, and please turn on your camera, ma'am.
Okay, I gotta figure it out. 1 second.
We're here for a pretrial in this case. Apparently, Miss Hinton has another case that she's going to get arraigned on August 19th.
Oh.
I can't turn my camera. I don't know how. I'm sorry.
There's two she's going to be arraigned on. Operating while intoxicated, occupant less than 16, child abuse fourth, and driving while license suspended, along with the driving while license suspended. I'm not sure those aren't the same. Let me see something here. Yep, those are different. One is an offense date of November 13th. Another one is an offense date of May of 25. And she has a
You said
I represent her on the felony case the felony was dismissed and then it was remanded. So I only represented her on one case, Judge. Thank you.
I understand that she hasn't been arraigned on the other ones yet, so she doesn't have representation.
I can arraign her for purposes of expediency, Judge.
I'm not arraigning her today, ma'am. I just told you when her court date
Oh,
is scheduled.
sorry. Sorry about that.
So what are we doing with the pretrial today?
We're going to real respectfully ask for a final pretrial.
Final settlement conference is going to be on August 29th, 2025 at 9:30 a.m. Jury selection will be on September 5th, 2025 at 8:30 a.m.
September 5, you said?
Correct.
I'm looking to see about the August 29th date, Judge. Sorry about that.
And Ms. Farnwell, what's set for a final settlement conference? Or
I'm with you here also. I'm available on that same day with the same court. Thank you, Judge.
So the prosecutor was talking before you cut her off.
Sorry.
Ms. Farnwell, once it's set for final settlement conference, there'll be no further plea negotiations. Do you want to do that, or do you want to wait to get all of her cases up here together?
hold on. I don't even know what's going on. So
I don't want to wait for the other cases because they're so unrelated to this case. And she already told me about this case. We had discussed this case that was remanded back in detail. So I just want that pre-trial case. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be representing her on the other cases because I don't do the misdemeanors here.
And I don't think I want her to represent me on this case either because I didn't talk to her about it at all.
We spoke in court. We spoke in the courtroom. We spoke. I'm not talking about her new cases.
Yeah, but you never asked me what I wanted to do. What about the case?
She was certain about what she wanted to do. So I don't know what's going on. But
Well,
can
Ms.
I get a breakout room with her?
Miss Barnwell, first of all, you need to stop talking. So the reality is an offer was just made to her right now that you didn't even tell her about.
Right, that's what I'm saying. I don't know what's going on.
I didn't hear properly, Judge. I did not hear properly.
But that's because you keep talking. You have to listen to everybody else in the courtroom as well, including your client who was trying to talk to you. I'm going to pass this and let you talk to her, and then we'll go from there.
Can the prosecutor please write something down?
No, nobody's writing anything down.
Right, I don't even know what's going on. Like, y'all just making decisions for me.
Miss Hinton, I just told you she's going to go into the room with you, ma'am, okay?
I I don't want to
You
use
better-
her as my attorney
It
no
do-
more.
It's not that simple, ma'am. It doesn't work like that. You don't just get to say you don't need an attorney. You gotta
Well,
talk to her first. If you come out and you're in the same place after that, then I may consider that. But right at this point, you're gonna go in the room, you're gonna at least talk to her. Miss Woods, can you let her back out? Because she was,
her back out right now, Your Honor. She should be back in, Your Honor.
all right. Miss Woods, can you relay the offer again, please, so that Miss Barnwell can hear it?
Well, she has other cases coming, so I didn't know if she wanted to wait to get all those other cases up so we could resolve them at the same time, or if she just wanted to set up for a final settlement conference. Haven't heard back from the victim yet, so I can't put an offer on the record at this time for this case. But I don't know if we could resolve all the cases at once.
All right. And so Ms. Hinton needs to be able to fully understand all that before she makes a decision about whether she's setting it for a final settlement conference. So Ms. Hinton, I'll let you talk to Ms. Barnwell and see where we are and what you want to do. I'll recall it.
All righty.
All right, I'll pass that matter. And that is case number 25 FB 1069.
Evening, what's for the people?
Good afternoon, Your Honor, or good morning still. Wendy Barnwell, P42505, on behalf of Ms. Hinton.
Thank you. Good afternoon. Ms. Hinton, please unmute, state your name. I saw her for the longest.
Yeah.
You need to unmute, Ms. Hinton.
Okay. Now I got it. Danielle Hinton.
Thank you. All right. Ms.
Your Honor, my client is requesting that I would move from the case. In the interim, while other cases were going on, was preparing a motion to withdraw as counsel with a proposed order. So I just finished that motion based on the conversation in the breakout room.
Oh my goodness. Can we go back in the breakout room? Because she was yelling at me and she was trying to talk over me and stuff so I left the breakout room because why are you not trying to communicate? Why are you trying to yell over me? Like, was
Your Honor, I
this,
don't want the back and forth. I filed a motion based on things she said in
you have
court
to
before
communicate
we
with me
went
though.
into
You
the
can't just
breakout room. And I am just stating that I think this relationship has broken down and they will give her new counsel.
I appreciate that. Thank you. Because you don't know how to communicate with people.
All right. I'm gonna re-refer this to the appointing authority. Ms. Woods, do you have any objection to her being released from this case?
No, Judge.
So Judge, should I still email this motion that I've prepared?
Yes, please.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day, everybody.
You
Please.
too.
Oh, boy.
Sorry.
Ms. Barnwell, I haven't
Yes.
excused you yet. Please don't just.
Sorry about that.
All right. I'm gonna set this, Miss Hinton, I'll need to give them at least. Wait, when is your next court date? Let me see. Maybe I should just put it for after that. So you're scheduled for an arraignment on August 19th, it looks like. Yes, August 19th before the magistrate. So I'm gonna set these to August the 25th. And I'm leaving a note in the file that all of them can be set for the same date on August 25th, okay?
All right.
August 25th, 2025 at 9:00 a.m. I will see you back then. You should have new counsel that will contact you at that
Okay.
time. Okay?
I
Before,
got a new number. So can you put my new number down or I got to do it through
one
somebody
second.
else?
No, you, can you put it in the chat?
Yeah, I got it.
All right, Ms. Barnwell, she's gonna put that in the chat and you are excused. You are all set to go, Ms. Barnwell.
Okay, thank you. So with that, I'll be leaving. Thank you, Judge.
Bye-bye. I need a referral form. I can't find that up here. You writing down the number or do I need to? Oh, I found it. I can write it on your form. Oh no, these are not the correct. These are old forms. I don't have the new ones. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in a notepad for now. All right, Miss Hinton, you're all set. And I'll see you back here on August 25th. Don't forget on August 19th, you have to get arraigned before the magistrate, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is why you pay for counsel, and if you're poor, this is why you shouldn't do crime. So obviously the counsel forgot that her primary duty is to the client by failing to communicate the plea offer, the core of a pretrial negotiation. She destroyed the essential element of trust. The judge's intervention by telling her she needs to stop talking was not a suggestion, it was an obvious diagnosis. She was advocating at her client and not for her client. This breakdown was catastrophic. The attorney is the primary source of conflict, not a resolver of it, which she should be. And the only correct move was for her to make the motion to withdraw. This is a simple lesson. Something that's said a lot is your first and most important witness is your client. If you can't manage that relationship, you can't manage the case. Preparation is not just about law, it's about listening. You guys let me know what you think in the comments section below. Till next time.